Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you the collection from fallen trees to glowing art design ideas by crafting statement lamps from whole log slices. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Repurposing fallen trees into striking statement lamps crafted from whole log slices represents a compelling intersection of artistry, sustainability, and a deep appreciation for nature's inherent beauty. By taking massive log slices that might otherwise be discarded or left to rot, artisans can create unique lighting fixtures that not only illuminate a space, but also serve as stunning conversation pieces that celebrate the raw textures and rich narratives embedded in each piece of wood. The process begins with sourcing these log slices, often derived from trees that have succumbed to natural events such as storms or disease, highlighting the importance of repurposing materials that would otherwise contribute to waste. Each log slice tells a story, characterized by its age, species, and the environmental conditions it has endured throughout its life. By embracing the natural imperfections found in these logs, such as knots, cracks, and unique grain patterns, craftspeople are able to transform what may seem like mere debris into sought-after art pieces that bring warmth and character into homes. As artisans begin the transformation from log slice to a beautifully crafted lamp, the focus shifts to the careful selection and preparation of each piece. Some log slices may exhibit a striking grain pattern or a beautiful natural edge that can be highlighted in the final design. This process requires a meticulous eye, one that appreciates the unique attributes of each slice while envisioning how they might be enhanced through thoughtful craftsmanship. Each cut, polish, and finish involves maintaining a delicate balance between revealing the wood's natural beauty and ensuring that the lamp remains functional and safe for use. Artisans often begin by leveling the bottom of the log slice to create a stable base, ensuring that the lamp will stand securely. This foundational work sets the stage for the creative aspects of lamp making to unfold. The next phase of crafting the lamp involves determining the best type of lighting mechanism to integrate within the log slice. For instance, the choice between a standard light bulb socket or more contemporary LED solutions plays a significant role in both the aesthetic and environmental aspects of the design. Many decorators and environmentally conscious consumers favor LED lights for their energy efficiency and longer lifespan. This consideration not only aligns with sustainable practices by reducing energy consumption, but also allows artisans to create a product that resonates with the modern consumer's values. Incorporating the wiring and socket into the design requires precision. The goal is to ensure all components are securely attached while minimizing the visibility of technical elements to maintain the log's natural appearance. Techniques such as hidden wiring or recessed lighting can create an elegant look, allowing the stunning wood grain to take center stage without distracting from its beauty. Finishing the log slice entails a careful sanding process that smooths its surfaces, revealing intricate details and vibrant patterns inherent in the wood. Artisans often choose to leave certain natural features, such as bark edges or split sections, intact, embracing the imperfections that tell the story of the log's life. Each piece serves as a testament to the artistry of nature, showcasing a variety of hues and textures that add depth to the design. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. As the lamp takes shape, It becomes essential to consider the overall design and style to ensure that it not only stands out as a statement piece, but also complements various interior aesthetics. Whether aiming for a rustic charm, a modern minimalist vibe, or an eclectic touch, the design should harmonize with the surroundings. A towering log lamp might command attention in a cozy reading nook, while smaller versions can snugly fit on bedside tables or desks, casting a warm glow that draws people in. The versatility of log slice lamps allows them to adapt to various environments, making them accessible pieces that appeal to diverse tastes. Moreover, the narrative behind these lamps enhances their value, telling a story of transformation that resonates with environmentally conscious consumers. Each log slice serves not only as a functional lighting source, but also as an art piece that bridges the gap between nature and human habitation. By choosing to incorporate reclaimed materials into their designs, artisans communicate a profound respect for the environment, emphasizing the importance of sustainability in crafting beautiful home decor. This narrative can be woven into marketing materials, providing potential customers with a deeper understanding of the craftsmanship and intention behind each lamp. Additionally, sharing stories about the origin of the wood can captivate consumers who are interested in sustainability and ethical sourcing. Highlighting the journey from tree to lamp, how the tree fell, the recovery and transformation process, and the craftsmanship involved, invites people to connect emotionally with the product. Furthermore, creating log slice lamps opens up the possibility for customization, allowing consumers to select specific features that resonate with their personal style. Options for customization can include different types of wood, sizes, and finishes, providing the opportunity for tailored designs that suit individual preferences. This flexibility can enhance the emotional connection between the consumer and the product, as each lamp can reflect the personality and taste of its owner. Further bridging the relationship between art and home. This degree of personalization ensures that each lighting piece stands apart, reinforcing the uniqueness that comes with repurposed materials. The impact of crafting log slice lamps extends beyond just aesthetics and functionality. It represents a philosophical shift in how we perceive materials and consumption. The process encourages a creative rethinking of what is considered waste, demonstrating that fallen trees and discarded timber can find new life as beautiful, functional pieces of art. This eco-conscious mindset fosters an appreciation for nature's gifts, urging consumers to recognize the potential in what is often overlooked. Encouraging a culture of upcycling and repurposing, these lamps become symbols of environmental respect and innovation. Through techniques that maximize aesthetic appeal and structural integrity while prioritizing sustainability, log slice lamps not only serve as beautiful sculptures within our living spaces, but also tell a compelling story of transformation, responsibility, and the enduring beauty inherent in nature. As we illuminate our homes with these striking pieces, we invite a dialogue about the relationship between our environment and our daily lives, making each lamp not just a light, but a reminder of our connection to the world around us. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked from fallen trees to glowing art design ideas by crafting statement lamps from whole log slices. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.